Good morning, all my dear students. In the previous lecture, we seen about combination reaction. Now we will see the second type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions are the reactions here single reactant breaks down into simpler products. This type of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. I would like to tell you that, my dear student, please pay attention what I am saying. Combination reaction and decomposition reaction are totally reverse with each others. In the combination reaction, what happens? Two or more reactants are reacting with each others and forming a single product. But in case of decomposition reaction, a single substance is going to be breaks down into the simpler product. I hope that you understood. We will see the general reaction. In the combination reaction, we know that A is reacting with B and it is giving AB. But in the decomposition reaction, it is breaks down into the simple products. AB reactant is giving A plus B. We will try to understand with the example. Now we have calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. We are giving heat to this calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate also known as limestone. And we are giving heat. After giving heat, this calcium carbonate turns into the simple products, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. I would like to tell again one thing, my dear student. Those reactions are caused by or happens due to the heat. That reaction is known as thermal decomposition. Those reactions are carried out due to heat or happens due to heat. That reaction are known as thermal decomposition. We are seeing the types of decomposition reaction also, how the decomposition reactions are goes on. So we will see one example. First one is calcium carbonate. We are giving heat, and after giving the heat, it turns into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And those reaction caused due to the heat, that reaction are known as thermal decomposition. Now let's come to the another example, that is electrolysis of water. In the previous lecture, we seen combination reaction. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen and it giving what? Water. Now we are seeing that decomposition of water by giving what? Electricity. Now here water is there and we are passing electricity, and due to this we are getting hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. This type of reaction is known as electrolytic reaction. Those reaction carried out by electricity, that reaction are known as electrolytic reaction. Now the third example we are going to see, that is silver chloride. That is silver chloride. It looks white. When silver chloride comes in the contact of light, at that time this silver chloride turns into silver metal and chlorine. And the color of silver metal, you know that silver is grayish white, my dear student. And this reaction is used in photography. This reaction is used in photography. And this kind of reaction, keep in your mind, my dear students, those reaction caused due to or happens due to the light, that reaction is known as photolytic reduction. One, the reaction happens due to heat, that reaction is known as thermal reaction. After that, the reaction happens due to electricity, that reaction known as electrolytic reaction. And the reaction happens due to light, that reaction known as photolytic reaction. I hope that you understood about decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition, electrolysis, electrolytic reaction, and photolytic reaction. Thank you, my dear students. Keep studying, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you. All the best.